Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about expressions in C. Let us first know what is an expression. When you come across any mathematical problem or any equation, that is called as an expression. We say, for example, I wanted to add two numbers and then save in a different wanted to say add two numbers and save. For that we say C is equal to A plus B. This is one expression. Likewise, there are many expressions which is needed for our day-to-day life to solve many problems. Okay. So here we have different types of expressions in C. They are arithmetic expression, logical expression, and then we are having relational expression and conditional expression. So now let us define what is an expression. An expression is a combination of operators, constants and variables. So what is an operator? A plus, a minus, a star or a slash, they are all operators. What is a constant? We have seen in the previous classes, constant is a value like a, for example, you say a value as 2, a 3.14 or 6, some constant value. Okay, and then what is a variable that can hold any values. So now here you see an example of this expression. Result is equal to A plus B into C. Here result is one variable, A is one operand, and plus is one operator, and B is one another operand, and star is another operator, and then C is another operand. Likewise, we can keep on having many expressions, many terms in the expression. Okay, now let us see one by one how the expression, the types are given here. We are having arithmetical expression. What is arithmetic expression? Having all the arithmetical operation like plus, minus, division and then multiplication, and also the modulo operator. Modulo operator is the remainder operator. And then what is a logical expression is, the logical expression, basic logical expression is and, or and not. Okay, and the relational expression, they are having all the relations checking like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. So all those things comes under the relational expression. And what is conditional expression is, it is a special type of expression that helps to come out with some specific result. Okay, now let us see one by one with the example. So here the examples of arithmetic expression. So what is an arithmetic expression? It is an expression having the arithmetic operators. Here I have shown an example, a simple program of example with all the arithmetic expressions. Here you can see the program starts with include stdio.h and then int main and is void. So I have declared a few variables like a as int, b as int, c as float, d as float, and then given some expression 6 plus a by 5 star b. So this is one expression. I can add a constant with a variable divided by some other constant. So any expression, any formulas is called as an expression. So likewise, here we can see minus a minus b, minus a plus b. So whatever. So with all the combination of arithmetical operators, and we can have these expressions. Okay. So I have used all the arithmetic operators here: plus, minus, star, division, and modulo. What is the modulo operator? Is the this percentage symbol is the modulo operator. Okay, so now these are all the example of an arithmetic expression. When you want to solve any mathematical problem, we can use this arithmetical expressions. Okay, next is the logical expression. What is logical expression is, we are having logically we say and, or, and, not. Okay, this is mainly used to make some condition like whether you wanted to make the both are true, one is false, all the answer will be in boolean variable, maybe true or false. That is called as an logical expression. Here we can say this example, this double ampersand symbol is the and operator, and double, this is called pipeline symbol, this double, this is the pipeline symbol, this is then for or operator, and this exclamatory symbol is for the not operator. I have given some example as a for these logical expressions. Here you can say I had declared some variable int a, b and c and given some values, and then just I am asking, just checking for the variables if a and b. So I am checking whether a and b is available. So for example, I can say, if I have scored the mark, it is above 80 and also it is above 80 and it is below 90. Again, that means it is between 80 and 90. So likewise, whenever I want to say some expression, I can use this and operator or operator. For example, you say, I can say if age is equal to 18 or the person is an female. So like this I can give some any conditional I can use using this operator, logical operator. Okay, and then not is the complement operator. So what if the result is true means not of true is false, that is negation, it is called negation. So not of true is false. So now here this program is a simple example to use all the logical operators like a, if a and b, that means if a and b are available, then you can say line 1 is true, just a message, printing a message to say a simple message. And then if a or b, that means if you are the values of a and b, that is if you use the or operator between a and b, and if the answer is true, then print the line condition, line 2 condition is true. Likewise one more if condition to say that if not of a and b, that means suppose if a and b is negative, then not of negative is positive. So if it is positive, so that means is if condition always works for the positive result. So this is one example of this not operator. So basically we are having three logical operators, and, or, and, not. So and means both the condition are true, or means any one condition is true, the answer will be true, and not means the complement or the negation operation. Okay, then next we will see the another set of expressions called the relational expression. What is relational expression is if I want to compare one with the other. For example, less than, equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, not less than or equal to, or greater than equal to. So I can have any type of checking with this operators, that is called as an relational expression. So here we are having this I have given some example for the relational expression here. In the below you can see if 1 plus 3 greater than or equal to 3 power 4, that is one relational expression. And then so this relational expression may compare any arithmetic expression or logical expression. Okay, so any expression can be, we can suppose I can also check if a greater than b, a less than b, that also I can check as a variable. I can check between two variables also. I can check between two expressions also. I check between a variable like constant also. For example, like I say, if age greater than or equal to 18, he is eligible to vote. If age less than or equal to 5, he is not eligible to go to school. Likewise, I can say some condition for this relational. There is a relation, checking the all these operator is a relational operator. Okay, and some examples I have given here. This a greater than or equal to 9, a plus b double equal to, here equal to means double equal to. Simple equal is the equal symbol for assignment operator, but double equal to is the checking operator, is it is equal to. So a plus b equal to x plus y. So this is the meaning of this expression. So likewise we can use any number of relational expressions in a given program. So likewise other type of expression is the conditional expression. What is conditional expression? This is the special type of expression checking for two conditions over here. So listen carefully, this is a special expression, listen carefully. I have given with an example. Condition, if the condition is true, the first value is taken. If the condition is false, the second value is taken. Okay, so this help, it is like a ternary operator. This is called as a ternary operator. When you say, when it is binary is between two variables, unary is between one variable, and this condition operator is a ternary operator. Okay, so I will show the example and explain you. Include stdio.h as usual. Include string.h is for, I am going to use a string here, then I have to use the string header file, and then void main. Int age is equal to 25, char is equal to status. I am going to check the status whether the person is married or unmarried. So I assume that if age is greater than 22, the person is married. Otherwise he is not married. This is just a condition to check. Okay, so now I am saying here status, this is the condition operator, listen carefully. Status is equal to age greater than 22 question mark m colon u. What does it mean is, if this first condition is true, that is if age is greater than 22 is true, then then he is married or she is married. So m will be taken as the value. If the age is not greater than 22, then it is assumed that the answer is u, it is unmarried. Okay, so by this they have an if statement. If statement is equal to, if statement is equal to status is equal to U means unmarried, statement is equal to M means married. So this is one ternary operator, this is a conditional operator which helps to use this type of checking. Okay, so hope you understood the simple logic behind the expressions in C, and thanks for watching.